Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade refresher full guide. Start by listing ingredients and tools you need, then prep lemons and sweetener. Juice lemons, dissolve sugar in a little warm water, and combine with cold water and ice. Taste and tweak with more juice or sweetener, then add herbs or fruit for character. Serve chilled in a tall glass with a straw and garnish. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade refresher full guide. Begin by juicing and straining lemons to capture bright citrus without seeds. Prepare simple syrup so sugar integrates evenly and won't settle at the bottom. Combine measured syrup and lemon juice with cold water and lots of ice, stir gently, and taste. Adjust sweetness or acidity, then pour into glasses and add a sprig of mint or a lemon wheel. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade refresher full guide. Quick recommendation. I've been reading The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's a fun, practical read about money that pairs oddly well with sipping lemonade. If you want one small thing to improve both your taste and your mindset, consider this book as a casual companion to your kitchen experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade refresher full guide. Try blending with ice for a frozen refresher or shaking with herbs for an aromatic lift. Substitute part of the water with sparkling water for fizz or mash berries for color and complexity. For less sugar, use 25% less syrup and rely on ripe fruit to sweeten naturally. Always taste as you go and serve immediately for peak freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.